Hi children, hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Dear God, thank you for looking after us. Thank you that you love each and every one of us here. Help us to learn and share together. Amen. Okay children, let's start our class today. Today we are going to continue with the unit 5 time. Okay, so last class we studied about railway timing, that is 12 hours and 24 hours timing. So we saw about what is 12 hours and what is 24 hours. 12 hours is, we have divided 24 hours into two parts, that is 12 plus 12, 12 hours. So normally at home and all we will use 12 hours time. So what is 24 hours timing? 24 hours will be used in railway station, television, all these things. 24 hours timing will be used. In 12 hours timing we will use AM and PM, and 24 hours we don't use AM or PM. Next we saw about converting 12 hours to 24 hours timing. So what we saw in 12, converting this to, yes, so while converting 12 to 24 hours, what we did, that we will just, when it is AM time, what you will do, you will just write the time as such and you will just write hours. If it is 12 AM, what you will do, if it is 12 AM, what you will do, you will just write 0000 hours. If it is 12:15 AM, you will write 00:15 hours. So if at all we are converting 9 AM, you will write 9 hours. 5 AM, 5 hours. So for AM time, if the number is, unless the number is 12 AM, you will write the number as such. Instead of AM, you will write hours. If the time is 12 AM, you will write 00 hours. Okay. So if this is for AM. If it is for PM, what you will do? You will just add 12 to the number. If the number is not 12 o'clock, if the number is 12 o'clock, what you will do? You will write number 12 as such and you will just write hours. If the number is not 12, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, what you will do? You will just add 12 to the number and you will write the number. So if it is 1 PM, what you will do? 12 plus 1, 13 hours. 3 PM, 12 plus 3, 15 hours. If it is 12 PM, you will just write 12 as such. Instead of PM, you will write hours. Okay. Yes. Next we saw about converting. Next we saw about converting 24 hours to 12 hours. So if the hour is exactly 12, then simply label it as PM. So if it is 12 hours, 12 PM. If the hour is 00, what you will do? If the hour is 00 hours, you will write 12 AM. If the number is greater than 12, that is 13, 14, 15, you will just subtract that number from 12 and you will write the time. Okay, this is how we will change timing. So we saw about 12 hours timing, railway timing, converting 12 hours to 24 hours, converting 24 hours to 12 hours. Okay, this thing you already know. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 day, how many hours are there? 24 hours. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. Half an hour, how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. Okay, this you should remember. One thing you have to remember, most common is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This is very important while doing addition, subtraction. Okay, so we shall do some addition in time. Okay, so first addition. Okay, we are going to add 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, so we shall now add. So first, before adding, what you will do? You will name the hours and minutes. Hours, minutes. Okay, minutes. So now I am going to write the number. First number is 4. 30 minutes. Okay, the next number is 2:45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes. Okay, so I have written the number. What I am going to do? I am going to add. So plus sign. Okay, I have written the sum. Now I am going to perform the addition. So what is 0 plus 5? 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4? 3 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I am going to write 7. Okay, minutes over. Now this 2. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 4 plus 2, it is 6. I have done the addition. Okay, till now it is easy for you to add. It is very easy for you to add till this. Now in this addition we are going to do one more thing. What is that one more thing? See, you can see here, this is minutes. Here the answer is 75. Okay, but 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Here the number should be always less than 60. What is that? Here minutes should be always less than 60. Minutes should not go on beyond 60 or equal to 60. இங்கே வந்து நம்பர் வந்து 59 குள்ள தான் இருக்கணும். 60 ஆவோ 60க்கு மேலேயும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to this subtract 75. Okay, 75 minus 60. 75 minus 60. Why 60 is 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I am going to subtract the 75 by 60. So this 5 will come as such. 7 minus 6 is what? 7 minus 6 is 1. Yes, I am getting 15. Okay, so 75 minutes. 75 minutes equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. So this 1 hour, what I am going to do? I am going to add to this 7. So the 6 will become 7 and the 75 will become 15. Okay. So 75 minutes is 1 hour 15 minutes. So 60 will go as 1 hour. After 60, what will we get? 15. Okay, so 1 hour 75 minutes is 1 hour 15 minutes. This 1 I am going to add to this hour and remaining 15 minutes I am adding it in the minutes. I think you understood now. We will do one more example so you will understand better. Okay, yes. So this sum 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 50 minutes. So first we'll write hours, minutes. Okay, so I am going to add now. What I am going to do? I am going to add. First write the number 4 30, next 2 50. What I am going to do? I am going to add. What I am going to do? I am going to add. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Now here 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so see here 80 minutes. I told the number should be less than 60. It should be less than 60. But here it is 80. Okay, so 80 minutes. 80 minutes is what? What you will do? This 80 I am subtracting from 60. Okay, so the 60 is 1 hour. Okay, so 0, 8 minus 6 it is 2. So 80 minutes is, the 60 minutes is how many hours? 60 minutes is 1 hour. What is this? 20 minutes. Okay, the 60 minutes is equal to 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So I am writing this 60 as 1 hour here, and remaining this 20 minutes I am writing here. So this 1, what I am going to do, I am going to add to this 6. So this 6 will become 7, and I am going to write this 20. Okay, so the answer is 7 hours 20 minutes. Okay, yes, I think you understood now. So whenever you are getting a number more than 59 minutes, that is, if it is 60 also, you should do addition to the number. Okay, so 80 minutes is 1 hour 20 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. The 60 minutes I am writing it as 1 hour, and this 20 minutes is the remainder. Okay, now I will do another sum. Yes. So first we will write hours and minutes. HOURS MINUTES. Okay. So first I am going to write the first number. It is 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Now the next one is 1 hour 35 minutes. First we are going to add. Okay. First one is 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry. Okay. Then 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, this is the answer we got. But here the minutes is greater than 59. Greater than 59. So what we are going to do? Again, what we are going to do? This 80 minus 60. You will get 20. Okay. So the 60. So 80 minutes equal to the 60 is how many? 60 minutes is 1 hour, and this 20 as minutes. Okay. So what I am going to do? This 1 I will add to this 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, and remaining this 20 minutes I will write it here. So the answer is 5 hours 20 minutes. Okay, this is the answer. I think you all understood now what we have to do. If the number is greater than 59, you will just simply minus this number from 60. Okay, so you will get one answer. What you will do? This answer you will write it in the minutes, and you will add 1 to this number. You will add 1 to this 4, and I have written the answer as 5. Okay, yes. Shall we move on to the next example? Yes. See this example. This is a problem sum. Krishna goes to his village. He travels 4 hours 35 minutes in bus and 1 hour 55 minutes in two-wheeler. What is the total time of his travel? So Krishna is going to his village. So he is traveling 4 hours 35 minutes by bus and 1 hour 55 minutes by two-wheeler. So what is the total timing he was traveling? So first we will write statement. Okay. So travel by bus. How many? You will write hours, minutes. Okay. So by buses 4 hours 35 minutes and 1 hour 55 minutes by two-wheeler. Two-wheeler is 1 hour 55 minutes. 1 hour 55 minutes. So you have asked for total. So we are going to add. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I got the answer is 5 or 90 minutes. So this 90 minutes is greater than 59. So what we have to do? I am going to subtract 90 from 60. What is that? 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. So 90 minutes equal to the 60 is 1 hour, this is 30 minutes. So what I am going to do, this 1 hour I am going to add to this 5. So 5 plus 1 is 60, 30. So the answer is, you was traveling 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. This is how you will do the addition. Okay. So I think you all understood now. The only thing you have to remember is when the number is greater than 59, because if it is 60, it is 1 hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour. If the number is equal to or greater than 60 only, you have to do this. If the number is less than, if the number is 59, if the number is 40, if the number is 30, you don't need to do anything. You will just write the number as such. Okay. So we'll do one more example. Okay. See the sum. I am going to add 2 hours 25 minutes plus 4 hours 50 minutes. Okay. So we'll just add now hours, minutes. 2 hours 25 minutes and 4 hours 50 minutes. So we are going to add now. Okay, we are going to add now. So first one is 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have added this number. So the year number is greater than 60. What I am going to do, 75 minus 60. So if I subtract 5, 1. So this is 60 is 1 hour. This is minutes. So 75 minutes equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. So this 1 hour, what I am going to do, this I am going to add to this 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 15 minutes. So the answer is 7 hours 15 minutes. So this is how you will do the addition. Okay. So we should remember that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we will subtract the number. If the number is greater than or equal to 60, you will subtract the number and you will write the minutes. Okay. So you will do this assignment sum as homework in your classwork, or backside of your classwork itself. You can do the assignment. So first sum is add 1 hour 32 minutes, 2 hours 17 minutes, and the next one is add 7 hours 52 minutes, 2 hours 5 minutes. These two sum you do it as a homework, and please send the homework, okay, to me through WhatsApp. Okay. So if at all you have any doubt, you can ask me during the Zoom class. I will clear you. Okay children, take care. Bye.